Ever wondered how the internet works? The invisible threads that connect our world, from the smartphone in your pocket to a server halfway across the world, all work in harmony to bring you the marvel that is the internet. The internet is a global network, a colossal spiderweb of billions of computers interconnected. It's like a massive worldwide conversation where information is exchanged at lightning speed. This intricate network uses the standard Internet Protocol Suite, commonly known as TCP/IP, to facilitate these rapid-fire dialogues. In the grand scheme of things, the internet is a relatively young invention. The first connections were established in 1969 by the Defense Advanced Projects Agency, a department of the United States government. Now, you might be wondering why we call the internet a network. Well, it's because it's precisely that, a network. It connects computers and servers across the globe using a variety of communication devices and channels, from routers and switches to telephone lines and even wireless connections. But don't confuse the internet with the World Wide Web. They're not the same thing. The World Wide Web is a network of computers and servers created through the internet. Imagine the internet as a highway and the World Wide Web as the cars zipping along it. The internet doesn't belong to any single person or organization. It's a concept that's based on physical infrastructure, cables, wireless connections, servers that connects networks to other networks. As of August 12, 2016, there were more than 300 crore internet users across the world. So, how does this global conversation happen? Well, the internet works due to the cooperation between clients and servers. A device connected to the internet, like your laptop, is the client. It's not directly connected to the internet, but rather, it's connected indirectly through an internet service provider, or ISP. Just as your home has an address that uniquely identifies it, your device has an IP address. This is like the shipping address for your device provided by your ISP. On the other end of this conversation is the server, a large computer that stores websites. It also has an IP address. When you send a request via your browser over the internet, it's the server that accepts this request and responds accordingly. To access the internet, we need a domain name, which represents an IP address number. For instance, domain names like youtube.com, facebook.com, and paypal.com all represent specific IP addresses. That wraps up our dive into the workings of the internet. We've explored its beginnings, its structure, the difference between it and the World Wide Web, and how it facilitates the global conversation between clients and servers. So the next time you scroll through your favorite social media site or send an email, spare a thought for the marvel that is the internet.